Welcome to Realty Solutions, where we unlock the secrets to boosting your real estate listings through the power of social media. In today's digital age, social media is not just a tool, it's a pivotal platform for real estate professionals aiming to enhance their market presence and connect with potential buyers. Today, we'll explore how platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok can be masterfully utilized to showcase properties and capture audiences. Ready to transform your listings? Let's dive into each platform and learn how to make them work for you. First up, Instagram, a visual storyteller's paradise. Imagine a platform where every scroll is a potential showcase for your properties. That's Instagram for you. A critical tool for any real estate agent aiming to capture the attention of visually driven audiences. Here's how to make the most of it. Begin with the basics. High-quality photos and videos are non-negotiable. Think about it. A well-lit, beautifully shot image of a spacious living room can do more for your listing than 1,000 words. Whether it's the gleam of natural light on hardwood floors or the sleek lines of modern architecture, these visuals grab attention and don't let go. But don't stop at static images. Instagram stories are your best friend for real-time marketing. They're perfect for sharing those fleeting moments that make your properties feel alive. Behind the scenes at an open house, a quick tour of a newly listed property, or even testimonials from happy clients, all these can be shared as stories. And the best part? You can save them as highlights under categories like new listings or open houses, keeping your profile both engaging and organized. Now, let's talk captions and hashtags. The caption is your chance to tell the property's story. Why is this place special? What unique features should grab the potential buyer's attention? Pair that narrative with strategic hashtags. Use popular ones like #DreamHome, but also tag #JustListed and location-specific tags. This not only increases your reach, but also targets people actively searching for homes in specific areas. Remember, every post, every story, every highlight is an opportunity to engage with potential buyers, to build relationships and trust. Respond to comments, answer questions, and be present. Your responsiveness encourages interaction and builds a community around your brand. With these Instagram strategies, your properties won't just be seen, they'll be remembered. Moving on to Facebook, where community and connectivity create opportunities. Facebook isn't just for catching up with old school friends anymore. It's a dynamic platform where real estate agents can thrive by tapping into local communities and engaging directly with potential buyers. First, let's talk about Facebook Marketplace and groups. These features are invaluable for reaching local buyers. Marketplace allows you to list your properties where thousands of eyes are already searching for their next home. It's straightforward and localized, which means your listing lands right in front of interested parties in your area. Meanwhile, joining local community groups or real estate-specific forums can significantly amplify your reach. Here, you can share your listings, participate in discussions, and establish yourself as a knowledgeable local agent. Engaging actively in these groups creates trust and keeps you top of mind when someone decides to buy or sell. Now, onto Facebook ads. This powerful tool lets you slice and dice demographics to target your ideal buyer. Whether you're focusing on age, location, income, or interests, Facebook ads allow you to tailor your message directly to those who are most likely to be interested in your listings. Create compelling ads with clear calls to action, such as schedule a viewing or learn more, which direct potential buyers straight to your website or contact form. Remember, a well-targeted ad campaign can reduce waste and increase your conversion rates dramatically. Lastly, the power of live virtual tours cannot be overstated. In a world where digital convenience is king, offering live tours on Facebook gives you a direct line to engage with potential buyers. During these tours, you can showcase the property in real time, answer questions, and interact personally with viewers. This not only enhances the buyer's experience, but also boosts engagement on your page, giving your listings higher visibility. Leverage Facebook's tools, and you'll see just how quickly your network and buyer interest can grow. Now let's capture the dynamic and fast-paced audience on TikTok. When it comes to making an impact on TikTok, short and engaging property tours are your golden ticket. Imagine whisking potential buyers through a beautifully staged home, all in just 15 to 30 seconds. Utilize trending sounds and eye-catching effects to make these mini tours pop. The right background track or a clever visual trick can transform a simple walkthrough into a viral sensation, drawing more eyes to your listings. But TikTok isn't just about showcasing properties, it's also about connecting on a personal level. Behind-the-scenes content is incredibly effective here. Share clips of a day in the life of a real estate agent, or take your audience behind the curtain as you stage a home for an open house. These glimpses into the real workings of real estate not only entertain, but also build a relatable and trustworthy image. Now let's talk authority. On TikTok, you can quickly become a go-to source for real estate wisdom by sharing educational tips. In bite-sized videos, offer advice on home buying, break down market trends, or give renovation ideas. These snippets of knowledge help establish your reputation as an expert, and they keep your audience coming back for more. Remember, TikTok's algorithm favors content that engages users right from the first second. So, start your videos with a hook that grabs attention, be it a stunning visual of a new listing or a surprising real estate fact. And always encourage viewer interaction through questions or calls to engage in the comments. This not only boosts your video's reach, but also fosters a community around your brand. TikTok might be quick and playful, but it's a powerful tool to skyrocket interest in your listings. We've covered Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok key players in transforming your real estate marketing strategy. Let's recap the powerful tools and strategies you can employ to amplify your property listings and connect with a broader audience. On Instagram, the focus is on visual appeal. High-quality photos and videos showcase the best features of your properties. Engaging stories and highlights keep your followers updated and interested. Remember, a well-crafted caption and a strategic use of hashtags can significantly expand your reach. Moving to Facebook, this platform offers a robust environment for targeted advertising and community engagement. Listing your properties on Facebook Marketplace and participating in real estate groups helps tap into local and specific buyer markets. Moreover, the use of live virtual tours can create a real-time interactive experience, making potential buyers feel right at home. Then there's TikTok, where creativity meets brevity. Short, engaging property tours coupled with trending sounds can catch the eye of countless viewers. Behind-the-scenes content not only adds a personal touch but also builds trust and relatability. Sharing quick educational tips positions you as an industry expert, which can draw in more followers and potential clients. Integrating these strategies across Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok will not only enhance your visibility but also create multiple touchpoints with potential buyers. Each platform offers unique tools that, when used wisely, can lead to increased engagement and more successful closings. Remember, every post is a stepping stone towards your next sale. Subscribe to Realty Solutions for more expert advice and happy selling.